Hello, my name is Andrei and I have been playing tennis since I was 5. For me, playing tennis is more than a hobby, it's a passion. Doing a sport helps to develop the brain and cognitive function, because any action we take is controlled by different parts of the brain. To understand how the nervous system performs such actions, I have to start with the muscles. These are the body parts that produce movement under the control of the brain and the spinal cord. Most muscles attach to the point on the skeleton and cross one or more joints, so they are called skeletal muscle. Activation of a given muscle can open or close the joints that it spans, depending upon whether it is a joint flexor or extensor. Muscles that move a joint in an intended direction are called agonists, and those that oppose this direction of movement are antagonists. Skilled movements at high speed are started by agonists and stopped by antagonists. Each skeletal muscle is made up of thousands of individual muscle fibers, and each muscle's fiber is controlled by the alpha motor neuron in the spinal cord. The alpha motor neuron and all the muscle fiber it contains from a functional unit, the motor unit, which receive input directly from premotor area of the frontal lobe. Playing tennis develops the cognitive functions. One of cognitive function involved in practicing tennis is learning. Nobody is born wise. Practicing tennis requires months, even years of training to learn to shoot. After a period, these shoots become an automatism. An important role in this process plays the cerebellum. Although the cerebellum accounts for approximately 10% of the brain's volume, the cerebellum is important for making postural adjustment in order to maintain balance. One major function of the cerebellum is to coordinate the timing and force these different muscles to produce fluid limb or body movement. And also it's important for motor learning. The cerebellum plays a major role in adapting and fine-tuning motor program to make accurate movement through a trial and error process. Besides cerebellum, basal ganglia have also an important role in initiation and control of movements. Basal ganglia are a cluster of interconnecting areas located beneath the cortex in the depths of the cerebral hemispheres, which are also thought to be important in learning, allowing the selection of actions that must be taken. But how to hit the ball? Where to hit the ball? When to hit the ball? Any tennis player should answer these questions before hitting the ball. The answer is to be found in the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex is the anterior part of the frontal lobes of the brain, lying in front of the motor and premotor areas. This brain region, along with the cingulate cortex, are involved in attentional processing, planning complex cognitive behavior and decision making. It determines what is good and bad, same and different future consequences of our actions and working toward a definitive goal. Like in other sport, in tennis, also there are moments when I must control the positive or negative emotions. The support of these emotions is the limbic system. The limbic system is responsible for regulation of emotional behavior. It includes deep structure of the brain like hippocampus, amygdala, thalamic nuclei, and septum, and supports a variety of functions, including emotions, motivation, and long-term memory. The brain is amazing, and his functions are very interesting. Playing tennis requires using of all the brain. So if you want a healthy brain, playing sport.